You got an early 2000s cars and you're driving everywhere. No matter if it's a Vauxhall Corsa, a Civic, a Porsche or an Aston, you're just driving and there's just one thing that you really want, just to complete the experience. And if you're like me and you have an Aston, there's one thing to top it off. If you said playing Skyfall by Adele, trying to think you're James Bond, then yes, no, you are correct. Right, so you want to connect your phone to the car to play some music out the stereo. Now there's one thing that we've got up here, which we love. I actually love doing this. Right, look at that. That just looks so cool. We can actually have something on this called Aston Installations. Now Aston Installations, they are a company that does actually put CarPlay and loads of audio stuff, reverse cameras and everything on this little screen here. Now as lovely as that sounds, there's only one issue, and that issue is it costs about £1,000 to do that. And if you have enough money to do that, you can go ahead and get this option. I'd absolutely love to have that, but to me, to be honest with you, it's more of a luxury item. Spending that much money for me just to play music is not worth it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is where this thing comes in. So what this is literally a Bluetooth radio transmitter thing. Honestly, and I've used it, it works, I love it. It costs like £6 on eBay. That is mental. So now get this out, we've got this. So on this, we've got 2 buttons here, a phone button and a little screen and 2 USB ports. And this plugs into the car's socket. On an Aston Martin, it's actually in here. Obviously, when this is in, this has to be up, so shifting of it, you can catch your hand. Now with an Aston, these ports are always live, no matter if the car's turned off. So all you want to do is literally pop it in when you start to drive. That will then go ahead and connect. I don't know if you heard that. Oh, look at that. Already it's connected to my phone. And that's all you pretty much do. As soon as you get in the car, you plug it in, fine, and then you can unplug it when you come out of the car, because otherwise it will just drain the battery and you know how much of a pain batteries are. So once it's plugged in, it goes ahead and tells us what the frequency it's currently on. You can press the right arrow key, hold it. Who knows what the hell's going on? I don't know how this works. Most people just leave it as 87.5, and all you have to do on here is obviously turn the radio on. It will say Vantage System, and then on the right you want to fine tune this. Obviously you can fine tune this from anything between 87.5 to 107.9. You literally keep it 87.5. There's a way to change this, but if there is a station you want that no one uses, like I don't know, maybe 99.5 or something like that, then you can go ahead and do that and then set this to 99.5. Now the fun part is connecting your phone to the Bluetooth. Now for this, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your settings, be it Samsung, Apple, Android, and find something called 809. Click on that. And once it speaks to you, that means you're connected. And there we go, already it's playing music. And you can go ahead and open up Amazon Music, Spotify, whatever you want to go ahead and listen to. Let's type in, you know what, Live and Let Die, there we go. Right, already, I'm gonna get copyrighted. But as you can imagine, driving through just the roads listening to this song is phenomenal. Anyway, that's literally it. It's £6 from eBay. The only thing that there is that's got a problem is going to be with the actual sound system here. So on the Aston, if I was to go up about a normal percentage, this is a normal percentage, you can barely hear that. You have to turn it up quite high. And because it's turned up quite high, once you go ahead and take this out when you shut off the car, yeah, so all you want to do is actually turn it down all the way, or even just turn the radio, shut up, turn the radio off, and then go ahead and take it out. Right, and that's literally it. I mean, honestly, it's such a small thing, small video. Having one of these is a lifesaver, because if you're going long drives, you know, you can actually you can actually listen to something worthwhile. And that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This works in pretty much anything that has a 12-volt socket and some sort of radio, be it, you know, literally any kind of a radio. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, leave it a thumbs up. I'm not going to put a link. I'm going to go ahead and put what the name of this is, because there's so many, and the one that I bought from is it's been discontinued on eBay anyway. But they're literally they're produced by the same manufacturer, pretty much. But yeah, anyway, hope you guys enjoy it. See you guys next one. What? Pow.